Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm an attorney with Goldman & Associates, and today I'd like to tell you what you need to know about divorces as it relates to men's divorces. Now, when people distinguish between men and women in a divorce, and they look for a lawyer who focuses his practice on men's rights, what are they really looking at? Primarily, they're looking at men's rights as it relates to custody of children, because there's a notion that women always get the preference by the courts. Well, I want to tell you that the courts now have shifted away, realizing that there was a gender bias in some courts over the years. They've shifted the focus. So now they're not looking toward the mom or toward the dad so much as they're looking at what's in the best interest of the children. If it's in the best interest of the children to stay with mom, well, it may be that way, but the court will just as easily find that it's in the best interest of the children to stay with dad. The court will evaluate a dozen or so factors to make that determination, and that's how it works. Now, if you're focusing on men's rights as it relates to your assets, the good news is that when the court evaluates assets, they're not really looking anymore at who made them, who benefited from them. The court is primarily focused on when the assets were accumulated. If they were accumulated during the marriage, they're marital assets. And if they're marital assets, they're in play. They may be subject to division in the context of the divorce. So if you've got that situation, you may have to accept the reality that if the asset was accumulated since I got married, then guess what? I'm splitting them with my ex. That's the way it's going to be. Will that split be 100% equal? There may be other factors that go into it, but at least that asset is going to be in play, and there will be a discussion as it relates to dividing it in your divorce. If you have questions about that, reach out. Of course, we'll be glad to help you out. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and share.